These beautiful water birds always attract us. Swans feed on aquatic plants. Swimming of this bird on the water is special and spectacular. Swans have a respectable and special place in world literature. In old stories and legends, they are a symbol of innocence and purity. Baby swans learn to swim very quickly, but parents do not leave them alone while they swim. Their most interesting feature is their monogamy. Their separation rate is very low and usually happens with the death of one of the swans. This beautiful bird is the epitome of beauty and loyalty.